How to show what you're listening to Spotify on Discord on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Geek. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can share what you're listening to Spotify on Discord on your PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So I have the Discord application installed on my PC as well as a Spotify app. So first of all, you want to open the Discord application. Then from the bottom left, you'll find this gear icon which says user settings. Just click on this option. Over here, you'll be able to see all this. On the left hand side, you'll find the option called connections. Once you go to connection, you want to make sure that you've actually added Spotify account over here. So right over here, you'll find the option called Spotify. If you do not find it, you can just tap on this icon and here you'll find Spotify icon. Once you find Spotify account, log into the same Spotify account that is currently logged in on your device on your laptop as well or your PC. And after you've connected your Spotify account over here, you have to check both these options that says display on profile and display Spotify as your status. So once you have done this, open up Spotify app. Then on the top right, just open your profile name and then here you just go to settings. And once you go to settings over here, you'll be able to see all this. Under display, you can say all these toggles are turned on. So under social tab as well, you want to make sure to actually share your listening activity on Spotify or whatever else type of settings is here. You want to simply make sure to enable those settings. And once you've enabled those settings, what you want to simply do is just come to Spotify and then just play a song over here. So you can see I'm currently playing a song that is Dancing with Your Ghost. So I'll open up Discord and then I'll simply go to a specific server, let's say for example, and I'll just go to the members tab. And if I go to the members tab, here you can see it says listening to Spotify, and then here you can also see that exact song. If I go ahead and then change the song over here, the song is also going to be taken place on the Discord app, and then here you'll be able to see the new song respectively. And this is how you can share what songs you're listening to Spotify on Discord on your PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.